Hello and welcome to the topic Purpose of Literature. Good literature is very enchanting. It educates the minds and hearts of the readers. It opens eyes to the subtle and hidden meanings of life. It refines the character and shapes the course of thinking towards human values. Therefore, reading good literature is highly recommended. Point number one: literature provides pleasure to listeners and readers. It is a relaxing escape from daily problems and it fills leisure moments. Making time for recreational reading and using high quality literature help to develop enthusiastic readers and improve achievement. Point number two: literature builds experience. Readers expand their horizons through others' experiences when they read literature. They visit new places, gain new experiences, and meet new people. They learn about the past as well as the present and learn about a variety of cultures, including their own. They discover the common goals and similar emotions found in people of all times and places. Point number three: literature provides a language model. Literature provides a language model for those who hear and read it. Good literature exposes readers to correct sentence patterns, standard story structures, and varied word usage. Readers can improve their English with the interesting context and benefit from new vocabulary that is woven into their stories. Point number four: literature develops thinking skills. Discussions of literature bring out reasoning related to sequence, cause and effect, character motivation, predictions, visualizations of actions, characters and settings, critical analysis of the story, and creative responses. Point number five: literature helps readers deal with their problems. By finding out about the problems of others through books, readers receive insights into dealing with their own problems, a process called bibliotherapy. In short, bibliotherapy is an expressive therapy that involves the reading of specific texts with the purpose of healing. Thank you and goodbye.